Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a real Dollar Tree treasure find because I found a Maybelline makeup product. This here is the Color Jolt lip paint. And I never find Maybelline at my Dollar Tree, so I was really excited to see this. At the Dollar Tree that I went to, they had a lot of purple versions of this, but I don't think I'm going to be wearing a purple lipstick, especially one that is supposed to be super pigmented, which sounds really cool. It says, "Go beyond gloss with a jolt of intense color. Maybelline's vibrant lip paint delivers 8 times more pigment in every drop." So I got this in the Talk Back Red shade. And so it only cost $1.25 since I got it at Dollar Tree. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to be like. It really does seem like a good treasure find because when I was looking this up online, I think you can still get it at Walmart and different places like that for like $6. So overall, this is a less expensive lip product, but if you can find this at your Dollar Tree, that really is an amazing deal. Okay, I have no idea what the applicator is even gonna look like. Oh, okay. It's a squeezy tube with one of those kind of like felt tip applicators. Interesting. Oh, I think this is gonna have a nice kind of fruity smell to it. Let's see. Oh, I just squeezed it and like, look at how empty the packaging is. There's nothing even coming out yet. That is a little concerning. Glad I only paid $1.25 for this. Okay, here it comes. Let's see. Yeah, I think I am getting like a fruity smell to this. I really like when lip products have nice smells to them for some reason. But okay, let's do a swatch first. Okay, interesting. When I just swatched it, it has like a layer of clear gloss on the outside and then the stripe of pigment down the middle. So it actually is like a glossy texture. For some reason with the name lip paint, I was thinking this was going to be more of like a matte liquid lipstick. And it's not looking too intense of a red in this swatch. All right, let's see how it is on my lips now. I'm glad that this is a more glossy texture because my lips are very chapped. So I'm hoping this will be moisturizing on my dry lips. This is actually very nice to apply. With this applicator, I'm able to get very precise with the shape. Now seeing the shade on me, it is a bright red, but a pretty red and a really pretty texture. It's got some shine to it, but pretty much full opaque color. Because it is this more like glossy texture, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of transfer though, so I'm curious if I do a kiss test. Let's see. Yeah, a full kiss mark of transfer. And I just know like this is such a hard product for me to wear. When it's red with all this transfer, I know I'm not gonna be reaching for it much because if I'm gonna wear a red lip, I probably want it to be a no budge, long lasting matte liquid lipstick. And I kind of thought that's what this was going to be, but it is still like, for the price that I paid, a really nice, super pigmented gloss. I mean, it's faded a lot from that kiss mark, but all lip glosses come off this way. So really is so fun with all that pigment, a really nice feel on the lips, a really nice application. So for what this actually is, which is a pigmented lip gloss, I think it's great. And I feel like it really just comes down to your personal preference when it comes to lip products. And I personally just don't really wear the type that comes off a lot if I'm wearing a full on color like this. But if you like to wear a super pigmented gloss, which I do think if you're gonna wear a color on the lips, a glossy formula like this is the most flattering because of that gloss. It helps give the illusion of fuller lips, hydrated. So I love the look of this. I just don't love wearing it because it's always going to come off throughout the day. Even just like for a quick moment where maybe I'm going to take photos and I'm just going to be able to take this off before eating or anything like that. This is a great little pigmented gloss. I'm very impressed by this. I just think the name Intense Lip Paint is deceiving because for paint, I feel like it would dry down, and this is not drying down. So let me know if you've tried this before. I had never heard of the Maybelline Color Jolt, but I think this has been around for a while. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.